Hi guys, this is Jamie with gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. You are joining Crafting Around the World with Pam and Jamie. I hope you're as excited as we are. Here's our sample of today's first class. This is just a little bonus class for you, a sample. You'll be crafting with 2 leaders across the world. And if you are in Australia, make sure you contact Pam for the rest of this class, which includes 6 more bonus projects. If you're in the United States, make sure you contact Jamie at gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. You can see both addresses right here on my video. Now, we're going to start with an item that's for free. Our holiday suite we're working on right now is the From My Heart suite. Look at this lush suite. I love it. I adore it. It makes me so freaking happy. I love all the hearts. I love the polka dots because polka dots are my thing. This is a great combination. You can start off with the class for the For My Heart is available with just the Heart Felts bundle. If you purchase this with the Getting Crafty or Pam's PJ stamping, you can receive the class as the bonus. But if you order the From My Heart suite, you get even more from us. And so I'm very excited to do this with you. Our class will include the From My Heart Designer Specialty Series paper, item number 151189, the faceted gems 151, 154, heart doilies 151, 191. It also includes the heartfelt bundle, which is 153775. If you'd like to save 10% on all of this, make sure that you contact Pam or myself for the item, which is the Sweet Bundle 153931. And that is like the best deal ever. You have to love a big juicy deal. I'm just saying. Okay, so we're gonna use the free Celebration Kerchief card pack. This is our free kit. It comes with 8 cards, 4 of each design, and they're gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And I love that it coordinates so well with the For My Heart Specialty Suite. It is really easy to use. So today I'm creating with you this really sweet little card that says Celebrate Today. Celebrate Today is kind of a universal greeting, so it's great for anniversaries or weddings. My niece is getting married in the near future, and this is the Poppy Parade handkerchief card. So I'm going to fold that at the impress line right there and use my bone folder to impress the edge. Then I actually went inside and measured this to get it right above the line. It's 2.5 by 3.5, but I wanted a little barrier. So what I did was do 2.25 by 3.25 in our black cardstock, just like so. Then our beautiful From My Heart Specialty Designer Series paper has these great little hearts that you can punch out. And it comes with 2 heart punches that layer. So we're gonna go with the really pretty little pink one here for you. And this is a secret trick. See, if you see this little dot right here, I'm gonna make sure I'm lined up by doing a par punch. So what I mean by that is I'm not punching yet. I'm just kind of pushing down to get a good hold, and I'm gonna move it around. Line it up, make sure it's even Stevens, and then squeeze. Boop. Now, I will be honest with you, pink is not my color, but isn't this so pretty how well it comes together? I think so. And this whole handkerchief suite comes with all you need to create these cards. They're really great, including these gold foiled little leaves. So I'm gonna take 2 of the leaves off, just like so, and put it to the side. It also comes with the pre-stamped greetings, just like you're seeing here, and it comes in multiple languages. I'm gonna grab the Celebrate Today, just like so. But it also has, what is the other one? Thinking of You, which I think is a really pretty one. I'm going to be using glue dots. Okay, guys, so grabbing my mini glue dots here, we're gonna do a really simple and cute embellishment, which is crazy. I just placed down one of my leaves and I don't know what I did with it, but whatever, we'll find it. I probably just dropped it. But we need 2 of these leaves that come on this great gold foil, already die cut for you. And then what I'm going to do is, using my glue dot, I'm going to place 3 glue dots per branch in different locations. And you'll see if it's sticking out past, you just want to do a little roll. Boop. And then tracing that heart line, like you see here, I'm going to place the bottom of that vine just like so. And it's going to go up, framing that little heart. And it's double-sided, so you can just, you know, go do the same thing on the other side. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is just wrap this really cute card up. I'm going to use my snail adhesive on the back of this heart, just a little V here, and place it on the front of this black cardstock. You need a good contrast, and these are not the exact same pinks, but they're so close that you can't really, it's not gonna hurt you. They're in the same color family. They're awesome like that. Center this out in the middle of your frame. Turn it over and use your bone folder to just impress across the back. All that's going to do is take any openings that might have been in your card and make sure they have a firm connection, especially if you're sending this. Now this kit comes complete with dimensional adhesive. Yes, it does, and there's my missing leaf. So the dimensional adhesive are wonderful. You can also buy extras from us. It's item number 104430. That's 104430. It is the best adhesive ever. And you get over 300 in a packet. It's really fabulous. Now it says celebrate today. We're gonna go ahead and offset that so that it is across the center to the center of the heart where the leaves are still popping out. The shiny paper has got this really pretty pink foil with polka dots, and it picks up the pink in the card while balancing it with this nice clean look. This is really pretty. Now before I send this out, do you want to know a little trick? Anytime I'm using foil, I use the little microfiber and I rub that foil because I have left my fingerprints all over it as I played with that card. So I want to make sure it's nice and shiny when they get it. Boom. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Super fun and easy to do. And it's free. It comes along with the Heart to Heart Suite class. We picked this handkerchief card kit for you, and it makes 8 cards, 4 of each color. But you really, I would say, shop with us and get some more because it's awesome. I hope this inspires you to celebrate today. I hope you will look at our blogs at gettingcrafty.net or pjstamping.blogspot.com and look at how you can research to have this class delivered right to your door with all the goodies as soon as possible. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for crafting with me. I will talk to you later. Bye.